Welcome guys to 30 Days of Learning Canva. In this video, we will learn how to design a long shadow effect in Canva. Let's start by opening a blank page in Canva. Go to the search bar and search for Type Extrude. Open the Type Extrude tool, and here we will write the text for which we want to create the long shadow. From here, we can select our font, extrude length, thickness, and color. You can adjust these settings as needed. And now, our design is ready. We can also experiment with different colors. That is our final look. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.